Hey everyone, let's see how to set up the DriveStream app to stream your Google Drive files directly. As you could see, all my Google Drive files are available and I can stream them without any issues. Let me just play a video as a demo. The requirements are DriveStream app. You can find it on GitHub. I'll leave a link in pinned comments. And a Google Cloud Console account. Now let's see how to set up. Open Google Cloud Console and if it suggests a free trial, simply click Dismiss. Click on Select a project and create a new project. Name your project DriveStream or any name you prefer and click Create. Once the project is created, select it from the dashboard. Now open the hamburger menu. Go to API and Services. Now click on Enable API and Services. Click on Enable API and Services. Here in the search bar, type Drive API. Select Google Drive API and enable. Now click on Auth Consent screen. Here select the user type as external. Click on Create. Now under the app information, type any name you prefer. And under your support email, enter your email address. And under developer contact information, enter the same email address. Now click on Save and Continue. Then again click on Save and Continue. And now get back to the dashboard. Now go to Credentials and click on Create Credentials. Now go to your Auth client ID. And here under Authorized Redirect URL, paste the URL. I'll leave this URL in pinned comments. Now click on Create. Now you will get a pop-up of secret client ID. Just take a screenshot. Now go to Auth Consent screen and publish your app. Now refer the screenshot you just clicked. Here I'll just open my client ID again. Now install the DriveStream app. As I have already installed, I'm just going to log in. Open DriveStream app. Under client ID, copy paste the above client ID. Same for the secret client ID. And under redirect URL, paste the URL mentioned in pinned comment. Here log into your Gmail. Click on Advanced. Now go to My Google Client, then click on Continue. Here, copy the URL. Below, you will see Enter Authorized Code. Click on that. Paste the URL here, which we copied. Your DriveStream app setup is complete. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button.